You are live.
Hmm. Working, right?
Yeah, it's working.
Cool. That's what we were
So
expecting.
fine, fine, fine. And until what it can run. Like if you can just take a break and assign me the host. Let's see if I will resume. It should work.
Okay. How
Yes.
can I do?
Please check the cloud. Shall I check it?
Please, if
Hmm.
anyone can share, if anyone can check, it would be great
Okay.
because
Cloud host user.
Huh.
yeah.
Okay,
Cloud host
checking.
YouTube या फिर
YouTube पे already देख रही हूँ.
So in the previous video, we started
Light mode is
looking at
working
the
for me,
if
but at the
statement
moment
and went through
I could
various
not see the
conditional
video.
checks. So we actually looked at
It will
the
take
if,
30
the
seconds.
else, the
Yeah. That's what I am just waiting.
elif, and come up with a simple scenario, as you can see on the screen, of a simple guess the number game. But what we want to talk about now is the situation where you want to test more complicated conditions than the simple ones we've used so far. And Python actually gives you
It's
the mechanism to
it's
produce
working on
quite
light mode.
complex expressions when you're actually doing some testings.
It's working on light. Yeah, YouTube is also working fine.
If light works, usually YouTube also
Yeah,
works.
exactly.
Light mode is working fine.
Yeah.
And but in cloud user, it's still loading.
Was put if age.
So you have created cloud user for which session, Harshita?
For the session 2.
Session 2. So shall I take a break and see whether the what do you suggest, Gunjan?
Yeah, I have
Sorry,
created
come
for
again.
session 1,
I
session
said
2.
like if she has created the cloud user 2, shall I stop this and look at that because we were facing issue with the YouTube only.
So you can end this session and then someone can open CloudHost and we can resume.
Right.
Yeah. I have opened cloud host. Just
Okay.
resume session 2. End this first session.
Okay.
Okay.
Resuming the session. Okay.
End this and
And Gunjan is there. Any errors? Any
Can
wrong
you?
pop up?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
got
Go ahead,
I
Gunjan.
got something went wrong. I don't know for what reason.
Okay.
Yeah.
But actually, I called you up. Then I do not know, but I can see the OK and resend the request. Okay.
Yeah,
We
because
started
I
looking at
declined your request. That's it.
Yeah. So at the moment, Gunjan, I can see the media could not be loaded either because the server network failed or because the format is not supported on
the
light mode.
ifs
I can hear some audio, but I don't know from where I'm getting it.
statement and went through various conditional checks.
No,
So
actually,
we
I have
actually
removed
looked
the
at
audio at the
if,
moment.
the else, the
And,
elif, and come up with a simple scenario, as you can see on the screen, of a simple
Live-
guess the number game.
YouTube is
But,
working
what we want to
perfectly
talk
fine.
about now is the situation where you
video?
want to test more complicated
video is
conditions than
running.
the
Video is
simple
running.
ones we've used so far. And Python actually gives you the mechanism to produce quite complex expressions when you're actually doing some testing. So what I'm going to do is delete this code now and start fresh. And let's come up with a scenario. So we'll type in age equals input. Actually, we'll put an int there first. So int input, so we're converting it to a number.
Yeah, this is also working.
How old are you?
I refreshed it. It's working.
So what we can do is put if age greater than equal to 16. You've seen something similar to that
Cloud
before. We had
user
you
is still
talked about the greater than equal operator in the previous
Light mode
video.
is working.
Yeah.
light mode is
Harshita.
working. Light mode is working for me also.
Yeah.
But for cloud user, it's just loading.
So what does that mean? Cloud is user not working.
What is loading?
It's like obviously we don't have RHS, but the thing is, it is loading on all of our thumbnails.
In CloudHost?
Yes.
CloudHost is fine.
Okay.
So did you click on anything in CloudHost? Did you provide permissions?
Yeah, I provided all the permissions.
Cool. So that's fine. That CloudHost looks like that only.
So we need to do a quick round of sanity. Shall I run the video and leave the stage, and you can tell me like, are you able to see the video or not?
Video will not work if you leave the stage.
No, for cloud host user, it always works.
So there is a setting that we need to do in Firebase. Then
Yeah.
it will work.
But actually, that is not required as to, yesterday we have not done that setting.
Yeah. Okay. Please play and refresh.
Okay. I understood you're telling about the feature base. Then we need to in Firebase we need to add the import JSON thing for a user.
Yes.
Yeah.
So in the previous video, we started looking at the if statement and went through various conditional checks. So we actually looked at the if, the else, the elif, and come up with a simple scenario, as you can see on the screen, of a simple guess the number game. But what we want to talk about now is the situation where you want to test more complicated conditions than the simple ones we've used so far. And Python actually gives you the mechanism to produce quite complex expressions when you're actually doing some testing. So what I'm going to do is delete this code now and start fresh. And let's come up with a scenario. So we'll type in age equals input. Actually, we'll put an int there first. So int input, so we're converting it to a number.
I think when I left
How old are you?
it was working fine, Gunjan.
Yeah,
So what we can do is put if age greater than equal to 16.
Turn on the
You've
camera,
seen something
it will
similar
show,
to that
right?
before. You talked about the greater than equal operator in the previous video.
at
But we
least
can
one
also
person
expand
turn
that. We
on
can
the
put
camera.
and space
No.
age less
Yeah,
than
go
equal
ahead,
to 65.
Gunjan. You were saying something after
So
turning
what that
the camera?
does, that actually checks to see whether the age is
As I
greater
said,
than
she's
or
not
equal
able
to
to see
16
any
and that it's also
user on the
less
light
than
mode.
and equal to 65.
No.
So
Light
if we
mode
actually
is
do that,
working
then we should
for
do
me.
print.
It's working perfectly fine.
Not there are no
Have a good
labels
day at
coming,
work.
only on the right panel. It's all
So
black.
if you run that,
I see.
how old are you? We can actually enter
So
our
I'm
value, our name.
Gunjan, I'm assigning
15.
like
Nothing happens,
I'm just,
and that's because
who's
this
the host?
condition
Okay, I'm
wasn't
the host.
fulfilled.
I'm
Because age was
stopping.
15,
I'm
which
just
fails
assigning
the
the
first
user.
part here. So consequently,
wait.
nothing
Let
happens.
us
So if we run it
check
again,
the light
this
mode.
time I'll put, say,
Okay.
25. Have a good day at work. So it's looking for a number that's within the ranges of greater than equal to 16 and less than equal to 65.
If you refresh,
Now, because the
Ashita,
and
it's working.
has got a lower priority than the conditional operators,
You're now holding
this
the
expression evaluates as we would
Okay.
expect. But if you want to be really clear, you can use parentheses to make it obvious what you intended. So what we could have
Okay,
done
it's
is something
working
like
light
this.
mode.
We could have actually changed this.
Can you mute audio
Use
video,
brackets.
Harshita?
Like so, and we've made it very
can you
clear,
stop
and we'll still
playing
get the
video?
same result, but it's now a lot clearer because we've used those brackets.
You're
what we were
asking me,
trying to
Gunjan,
do.
I believe.
Yes.
It still actually works. This.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can anyone? Okay, Gunjan, can you last try so we can just say heads up? Can give the heads up to Vivek, because I feel if you are able to run the video and refresh the page, and if we can see that, then that would be great.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
I mean to say, I can see CloudHost is running because I left the stage. Video was still running on up. You have seen that thing. So I'm just taking a break and assigning you a host. You need to just run the video and refresh the page. Okay, we should able to see the video.
Okay.
Fine.
Video is playing. I'm just moving.
So in the
Yeah,
previous
yeah.
video, we started looking at the if statement and went through various conditional checks. So we
Harshita,
actually
you can
looked
see
at
the video. Light
if,
mode is
the
also
else, the
working.
elif, and come up with a simple scenario, as you can see on the screen, of a simple guess the number game. But what we want to talk about now is the situation where you want to test more complicated conditions than the simple ones we've used so far. And
Can you hear me,
Python actually
Harshita?
gives you the mechanism to produce quite complex expressions when you're actually doing some testing. So what I'm going to do is delete this code now and start fresh. And let's come up with a scenario. So we'll type in age equals input. Actually, we'll put an int there first. So int input, so we're converting it to a number. How old are you? So what we can do is put if age greater than equal to 16. You've seen something similar to that before. We talked about the greater than equal operator in the previous video, but we can also expand that. We can put and space age less than equal to 65. So what that does, that actually checks to see whether the age is greater than or equal to 16 and that it's also less than and equal to 65. So if we actually do that and then we actually do a print, have a good day at work. So if we run that, how old are you? We can actually enter our value, our name. We put 15. Nothing happens, and that's because this condition wasn't fulfilled, because age was 15, which failed this first part here. So consequently, nothing happens. So if we run it again, this time I'll put, say, 25. Have a good day at work. So it's looking for a number that's within the ranges of greater than or equal to 16 and less than or equal to 65. Now, because the AND has got a lower priority than the conditional operators, this expression evaluates as we would expect. But if you want to be really clear, you can use parentheses to make it obvious what you intended. So what we could have done is something like,
We have virtual summit meeting at 1:15, na?
Yep.
So, Richa, can you hear me?
Yeah.
So I'm just running it again.
so in the previous video, we started looking at the if statement and went through various conditional checks. So we actually looked at the if, the else, the elif, and come up with a simple scenario, as you can see on the screen, of a simple guess the number game. But what we want to talk about now is the situation where you want to test more complicated conditions than the simple ones we've used so far. And Python actually gives you the mechanism to produce quite complex expressions when you're actually doing some testing. So what I'm going to do is delete this code now and start fresh. And let's come up with a scenario. So we'll type in
But she should see this video, I believe.
Actually, we'll put an int there first. So int input, so we're converting it to a number.
I think she should see this video, what I'm running on this video, and the label, speakers, everything should
age
see.
greater than or equal to 16. You've seen something similar to that before. You talked about the greater than equal operator in the previous video. We can also expand that. We can put and
showing the black
space age less than or equal to 65.
The videos were not. Let's see.
So what that does, that actually checks to see whether the age is greater than
or
equal
it's
to
fine
16
for me now.
and that it's also less than and equal to 65.
On the right, till the
So
time we are not switching on the videos. That time it will be a problem.
Have a good
Otherwise,
day
it
at
will
work.
not be a problem.
Right.
So if you run that,
So
just give me one more thing.
how old
As
are
a
you?
speaker,
You can
are
actually
you able
enter our
to see
value, our
the
name.
streaming
We put
icon
15.
besides
Nothing
record?
happens, and that's because this condition wasn't fulfilled. Because
you
age
know
was
what is
15,
streaming
which
icon?
failed this first
No,
part
right
here.
now it's
So
not
consequently,
Oh, that's fine.
nothing happens. So if we run it again,
what
this
about
time
you,
I'll put, say,
Harshita?
25.
So did you
Have a
not?
good day at work. So it's looking for a number that's within the ranges
What did you
of
ask?
greater than
I
or
have
equal to
asked about
16
streaming
and
icon,
less than or
streaming
equal to
icon.
65. Now, because the AND
Icon.
has got a lower priority than the
streaming icon,
conditional
but
Are
operators,
YouTube and
this
Facebook
expression
that
evaluates
comes,
as
right?
we would expect.
Right.
But if you want to be
Yeah,
really
yeah.
clear, you can use parentheses to make it obvious what you intended.
Recording.
So what we
Right.
could have done
Is
is
it
something like
appearing
this.
or
We could
not?
actually change
That's
this.
fine.
Not there.
That
Use
should always be for
brackets.
host.
Like so, and we've made it
Are
very
you streaming
clear, and we'll
Facebook
still
and
get the
YouTube
same
for this
result,
session
but
also?
it's now a lot clearer because we've used those brackets,
Let
what
me
we're
just
trying
check
to
the
do.
Facebook. Just give me a
So it
minute.
actually works, as you can see. So the parentheses, just to be clear, aren't necessary, but generally speaking, it's a good idea to use them, especially in complex conditional expressions. And the reasons that you want to do that is that it really makes it, not only does it make it easy to read, but if someone comes to work on, has to work on your code later, the use of parentheses
She's
makes
facing
it
a loader.
obvious
I
to
do
them
not know
what
why
your
it's coming
intentions
up.
were.
For
So
me,
for
it's
that
not
reason,
coming.
I certainly highly
Gunjan, can you
recommend
see that?
brackets or parentheses.
For me also,
Now,
the loader
Python
is not
also
coming.
gives you
For
another
me also
scenario.
it's
Instead
fine.
of writing it the way we've
Harshita,
written
what
there,
about you?
we can comment that
I have
out.
not seen a loader
We'll
till
comment
now.
out just that one line. And we can also do it like this. We can put if
For me
16
also it's fine.
is less than equal to age, less than equal to 65.
So what shall I sell? Told
which is
her,
another way of
like,
actually writing the thing,
she
the
can
same
ignore
thing.
or
So
we
we
need
could
to look
actually
at
do
I do not
it's
know why.
fine.
on that.
For 3 people
It just
it's working. It
confirmed.
can be
Yeah.
a network
it's
also.
working.
Yeah.
We didn't get a message because we're outside of the range, and 34, we have got a message. So you can see there we're actually doing a test to see whether the value 16
Fine,
is less
fine.
than
And
equal to
about
age,
Facebook,
and whether the value
go
65
live
is
now.
less than equal to age as well. Making sure that it's actually within the range that's been entered.
For
And
this
there's
session,
actually
the
even
Facebook is not
an
working.
easier way that we could write this. Instead
I
of
do not
using
know
less
what
than
has
equal,
happened
we could actually change this and put 15
Anything
less
you can
than
guide,
age and
Gunjan?
less
I need
than
to refresh.
66.
You can
So
try
what we could do
refreshing.
there
That
is we actually
doesn't
run
make a
that.
difference.
How old are
Okay,
you?
okay,
If we're
okay.
15, we don't get a message because the range was
Try refreshing.
greater than or
It's
equal to
with the
16
cloud host.
originally
Doesn't make a
and less than
difference with all this.
65, less than or equal to
Okay,
65.
okay.
And we
But
put
at the
the
moment
age of
it's not
16.
working. If I change
Have a look what day
the
it works. So it's still actually
stream, edit
working
stream, or
because
update
age
it, will it
is
work? Anything?
not less than 15 in this case.
What is
And we
not
can actually
working?
change it
YouTube,
again.
Facebook?
Facebook,
We
Facebook.
can put
YouTube is working fine.
Is it
61
streaming
or
from
62.
your end?
Have a good
Doesn't,
day at
I mean,
work.
I think
And
I'm not
lastly,
getting the go live
66
button.
actually falls outside of the range. So that's possibly easy to understand as well. So the other thing we could do is we can actually turn
you
the
check
condition
the
around
setting?
using an OR instead. So I'll just show you how to do that.
Shashank is
Let's
pinging
actually
me.
just comment out all this code. So we've just got the original age input at the top, which is the same. We can put something like if age is less than 16 or age is greater than 65,
I'm sharing my
Print.
screen.
yeah.
enjoy
Okay.
your free time.
I'm just closing this video.
Else, print.
Can you see this screen? YouTube screen. So here I've used the stream key, and this stream key I'm just running it. Like this one is the like I have updated clearly, but I do not know what I'm running. This is the copied, and I pasted it here again. Phew. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
We
Gunjan?
can hear you.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. Please guide. Like what I need to do. Can you just let me know?
Yeah, I think you have to start this live thing again on Facebook.
Okay, but how could I? Because at the moment our
You can
session two.
you can create a new live, right? And
No,
change the settings on that one.
oh man, how many pings are coming? Phew. I'm just looking at it. Just give me a minute. Uh, at the moment, okay. Gunjan, at the moment, I can create new session 3, and I can add the
No,
this.
no, no, no.
Yeah.
You don't have to create new session. You have to refresh and create a new live for Facebook.
Maybe I'm not getting. I'm just refreshing this page. Shall I?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just doing it. And our session is going on. I think we should get go live.
Sorry?
Just give me a minute. I'm asking you this. I have refreshed this page.
How you create a new live? I want to ask you that thing. Do that again. Get a streaming key again. Update the streaming key. It will start working.
Fine, fine. Doing that. I'm going to session 2, Facebook. I'm clicking on it, and This is there, and I just copying this key, use stream key. This one, okay. I always copy this in my Facebook live stream, okay. And streaming URL is there and updating it. Live stream details are updated successfully. I'm getting a message on my dashboard.
Can you invite
Yep.
Richa on
Okay.
stage? She has raised the hand. At least accept raise hand request.
Yeah, I'm doing that.
Uh-huh.
For me, at the moment, it's not coming up. Waiting for live video, it is saying. Or shall I refresh or take a break? Shall I do something here?
I don't think it should happen that way. There was an issue with Facebook. Is that fixed?
Yes. I remember that even yesterday, day before yesterday.
Yesterday we have checked both the thing, and actually this is happening because after 2 to 3 minutes we lost this, like live video, and it has been she also told me like after 2 to 3 minutes when you leave this Facebook, it won't work.
Yeah, even I remember this Anupama saying. I'm not sure what's that status now.
Okay. YouTube is working.
Yeah, it's working fine.
Light mode is working.
We have issue with Facebook. We can mention that one. And everything, sessions, raise hand, attendee, chat, question, you have checked everything.
Yeah, I have done that. Like
polls, emojis.
Yeah, I have checked that.
Okay. If that is working fine, then that's okay. You can mention that live is working fine.
Yeah, I told them.
Where did you do it? I can't see that in release channel.
No, this is something release Oct 8, if you know that.
Yeah, I added my thing. I could not see it actually.
So there is lot of threads going on.
Okay.
There is anyway. Okay.
So I have a meeting. I have to go there.
Okay. So what is seek bar? Could you tell me like what is seek bar?
So when you play the video, you get a bar, right? At the bottom. It was the seek bar. Where you forward, rewind, all those things?
No, I do not have. I didn't get that. How could I get that? Okay, things are going on that? Development is going on?
No, pre-recorded video, when you play, you get a bar at the bottom to rewind, forward, increase volume. That is a seek bar.
No, I understood that seek bar thing, but at the moment we do not have seek bar implemented here.
There was some issue with that one. Anupama was working day before yesterday on that one. So I don't think that's deployed on demo.
Okay, that's fine. So do you have... Okay, fine. Okay. So shall we leave this?
Yeah.
Is that fine? Okay. Thanks, Gunjan. Thanks a lot. Thank you all. Besides recording?
I don't see any live streaming.
Yeah, I can see that live.
Okay, cool. You can see the live streaming icon.
No, actually recorded.
Only for the host can see.
Cool. Yeah. That's what actually I was asking.
Did you make it Facebook live?
I'm getting two voices. Could you come up again?
Did you make Facebook live?
Just give me a minute. I'm looking at it. It's not working on Facebook?
No.
Just give me a minute.
Everyone please turn on their cameras.
Yeah, please. It would be great. Live streaming. Okay. Stream has not started.
Richa and Shashank, unmute mic and camera both.
I'm just sending it to another user. Just give me a minute.
Are they able to listen us?
Can you hear me? Can you hear Anupama?
Yeah, I can hear. I was in light mode.
Fine. Shashank, can you just open your video, please? Um, this has started this live light. Can you anyone can see the YouTube now?
Ajay, can you give me YouTube link? I'll try to
It's on
join.
live chat. It's on live chat.
Okay.
Facebook is live, Ajay.
Yeah, Facebook is live.
YouTube,
I'm
I
not able.
see live stream offline as of now.
Now it should come up. Can you just see it?
No, still I don't see it. I'll turn off my camera. Is it fine?
Uh, just give me a minute. When it will appear, I will let you know. I can see the YouTube. That's why I'm asking. No one is able to see the YouTube.
It's still in offline mode only.
Yeah,
Live
let
stream
me share my
offline.
screenshot with you.
Okay.
I'm seeing this one on. Ajay, can you check your Slack? This is what I'm getting
Yeah, I'm looking.
on
I'm
YouTube.
looking at it. Just give me a minute. What about you, Richa? Can you see the light mode? Sorry, I mean this YouTube.
No, it still says offline for me.
Okay, let me
Facebook
share
is
the
fine for me.
Facebook is fine. Okay, so I'm just sharing one more link here. Could you just see if we can see the? Can you just open this YouTube link?
Okay. Trying with this thing now.
This is working fine.
Yeah,
This is
this is
working
working
fine?
fine.
Cool.
Yeah. Even light mode looks good to me.
Great. Great. So I'm running a video now here. Okay.
Okay.
I sent poll if anyone in attendee has camera.
Yeah, I can see this emojis.
Yeah, I'm seeing.
I'm creating a poll. Can anyone answer the poll?
I just created. Sorry.
You have also created a poll.
Yeah, I created. Did you get any one of you?
No one
I
is
didn't
there.
get.
Okay, start.
Yeah. In light mode, we can't
No.
answer the poll, Anupama.
No, you
Yeah,
can't answer.
only an attendee can do.
Attendee can do. Who is attendee?
Okay,
Actually, I do not
nobody is
know.
an attendee. That's why.
I
That's the
am
problem.
joining. Wait.
Right. Yeah, that's why. That's correct, Shashank.
By the way, YouTube is working fine for me on desktop view. Did you start a video?
Yeah, I've just started a video.
Yeah, my
Like
screen
I'm
changed
not.
to
I'm
video.
not running it actually. I'm
Yeah,
running.
I see white screen.
She's white screen.
Now it should come up.
So in the
I
previous
heard
video,
some
we
sound,
started
not sure
looking
what
at
it
the if statement and went through various
No, on
conditional
YouTube it's not
checks.
started
So
yet.
we actually looked at the if,
It
the
will come
else,
up,
the
it will come up,
elif,
definitely.
and come up with a simple scenario, as you can see on the screen, of a simple guess the number game. But what we want to talk about now is the situation where you want to test
come
more
up.
complicated conditions than the simple ones we've used so far. And Python actually
Yep,
gives
it
you the
started.
mechanism to produce quite complex expressions when you're actually doing some testing.
now,
So
yeah,
what I'm going to
video
do is
started.
delete this
Great.
code now and start fresh.
So I'm
And let's
assigning
come up with a
those
scenario. So we'll type in
to Anupama at the moment.
equals
Okay?
input.
Okay.
I'm
We'll put
taking
an
a break.
input
Okay. Got it.
So now tell us what you can see on the live. So now Facebook is live for me, and YouTube is also working for me. Please share your
Yeah,
input.
YouTube is also working.
YouTube is
Light
good for
mode
me.
is light
Yeah.
mode is working for me.
I'm removing my video. Okay.
I'm seeing loader on YouTube. I don't know why. No, intermittently it will come up, it will go off. Maybe because of internet, is it?
Yeah, it is because of internet. I'm also facing the same thing.
Cool.
I mode is not working for me. It is loading continuously.
I can see Anupma. Can you just remove Ajay with Facebook ID? Could you remove him and block him?
I block you.
Okay. So I should land it on light mode. I'm just looking at there.
Richa and Shashank, please turn on your videos, please.
So light
It's
mode is
on.
working.
Sure.
I think. Yeah.
Light mode is working now.
Okay, light mode is working for me. I think YouTube is also working for all.
I'm removing
Yeah.
Ajay. Can you please do rise and from that one more user? I unblocked you.
Sure. Let me do that. I did.
Can you do one more time?
Yeah, doing it.
One more time.
So I got failed to join stage. Try again.
Why?
I do not know why, but maybe because of my internet. Because I got the internet issue. I'm getting this issue. Failed to join stage. To retry joining, please click on the button below while raising my hand.
Your secure permission.
Could you repeat?
Secure permissions.
Let me check. Notification has been blocked. Let me just allow it. I'm refreshing from the blocked user or the user. Okay.
Can I turn off the YouTube one links?
Could you repeat, Sushank?
Yeah, I was asking, can I turn off YouTube link?
Yeah, you can turn off.
Cool. Close both the links.
Cool. So I'm raising again. Raising hand.
Can you make me an attendee? Because there is no attendee on this list.
I'm there.
Oh.
Who is checking light mode?
I'm checking.
Labels are coming.
Yeah.
Can anyone send some questions?
Yeah, sending.
Doing that.
Move to answer, that is not coming for me.
Move to answer. Okay. You can't see that.
No.
Can you assign me host and let me check it? I'm removing a host. Shall I? No, I can't because it's live session is going on.
Sorry, my bad. Yeah, wait. I was checking in that light mode as well.
Okay.
Yeah, I posted questions with my light mode video.
I moved some of them to answer. When did you do rise hand here? Ajay is on stage and I am able to see that he raised hand. Anyone can see speaker on RSS side?
Yeah, I see one. Ajay Lunia requested for mic access.
Yeah. This we have bug, I guess. But if that is fixed, then we need to
Is this something new or is this an old existing bug?
It is old bug only. But
But
that was, I don't know they closed or not, because it sometimes it works, sometimes it won't work. Whenever they do Ryzen at the same time, whenever the host is inviting them on the stage, that time it is coming. Ajay, can you keep this in note? We can cross check in Clubhouse or with Shrikant.
I'm rejoining because I'm getting Anupama voice in bits and pieces. So I'm just rejoining. So can you speak some things, Anupama or anyone?
Yeah.
Yeah, Richa, your voice is coming clear, very clear. Okay.
how about
Previously,
my voice?
yes, Shashank, I can hear you clearly. Anupama,
Anupama,
How
now
about
it's your
mine?
turn.
yeah, now it's good. Previously, I was able to listen you in bits and pieces. Your voice is breaking in between every time.
Okay.
Guys, I can leave here because you all have 3 users.
If you have any work, you can leave, Richa.
Yeah. I need to take Katie for Ops dashboard release. API testing is there. Need to test the API.
Sure,
Are you
sure, you
leaving?
can
Okay,
drop
okay,
off.
fine, fine. Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thanks,
Richa.
Richa.
So at the moment, I can see Facebook is also working fine and YouTube are also working fine.
Right.
Shashank, can you take care of light mode, please?
I'm not sure if I have done it before. Can someone help?
Yeah, sure. So at the moment, you are a speaker and
I am checking light mode, don't worry. I am
fine,
checking.
fine. You can leave that. So I'm looking at Facebook and
I am
YouTube both.
taking break and I am assigning to Shashi.
So, do you want us to turn on or turn off?
Turn on.
On.
Okay.
So I can see
And change
Facebook.
some layout you can change by handovering over top left corners of the everyone's thumbnail. I mean video. Left top corner.
Left top corner. This is what is coming. I'm able to make full screen to guys.
Split mode can you do? I'm in grid mode.
Anupama, can we remove Ajay Lunia from raise hand section? Is there any possibility?
I don't see that option of changing the layout. I don't know why.
No. The layout thing is the you can see the screen, full screen, like how you
Yes.
can you see that? Yeah.
Yeah, I can see full screen.
Yeah. So that's what. So that's actually you're changing the layout. You're making her dominate in dominating mode, and you are doing it for everyone.
Okay. Do you see Ajay Lunia Facebook ID in the
Yes.
center stage?
Yeah,
Okay,
I
that
can
ID.
see that.
Cool.
So this is the dominating mode. You are
Make it
changing.
grid mode.
I
Click
don't.
on my profile at the top corner.
You are at the center stage as of now.
Yeah, go to the top left of my video.
Okay, to minimize it.
Yeah.
This
I
is
can see the.
grid.
Yeah, this is
Got
great.
it. Now got it. Yes.
So you can change these layouts. So there are 3 layouts, Anupama, I believe, or 2,
I
Three.
think 2.
3. There
Which is
should be
third
3.
one? Share screen.
No. 3 is there. We can see 2. One more should be there.
Okay. How do I get that?
No. As of now, only we have this dominant mode and the grid mode.
Cool. Okay. So this is what.
And yeah, we can move anyone's in the dominant mode, and that we call this one grid or split. If we two are there, that's split one. Multiples are there, grid.
Cool. So I think here we have checked everything without cloud host. Anupama, and we are left with anything. Could you just let me know?
Can Shishan, did you click on the session tab and try to remove anyone from the session tab. That
Right,
right
right, right,
corner
right.
we have a remove icon.
Yes. Shall I remove Rex or whom?
You can remove Rex because she's not there now.
Okay, then. So remove speaker. Rex is
Yeah,
not there.
yeah. So now she's not appearing. That's correct.
Yes, cool. Anupama is there.
So
I can see Ajay too.
just I'm doing refresh. That time you remove. I should join as a attendee. I will ping you in the chat, then you can invite me.
Sure.
I'm doing refresh. Remove from the same tab. I mean session tab.
Cool. I can see only one Ajay Lunia is there now in that session.
Yes. I should be on sessions tab as of now, right?
Could you repeat?
Should I be on sessions tab or somewhere else?
No. You should be there only in session tab when you have removed that user because I am present there.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's good. So if she is actually she's raising her hand, you can accept her.
Should okay.
But what about this Ajay Lunia raised hand? Like, can you do something to him or not?
I can cancel him. I
Yeah,
can
you can
end my cancel.
cancel him. Yeah, fine.
I just reported some of the things. Can you do that manageable thing that ignore or something? And I'm reporting I'm reporting Shashank also, and I'm reporting organizer chat as well.
Okay,
So
what I have to do, by the way?
just you do like share your screen.
Is it visible now?
Yes.
Yes. So manage abuse you click, right?
Yeah.
Can you block you? This is not fixed, Ajay. Can
Could
you
you
click on that? This one we are ignoring as of now, right?
Okay,
Organizer
so
blocking.
yeah. So that has been in backlog. They are not fixing it.
Okay.
So we need to ignore
So
those.
can you
Yeah.
block that this issue still exists, right?
Yes.
Okay.
You can so the thing is, yeah, the bug we have logged in past 2 days in night. You're talking about that, Anupama.
Correct.
Yeah. So that has been ignored at the moment because they want to release this host delegation.
Okay. Fine. Then fine. Yeah.
Should I block anyone? Like what do I do here?
You can block Ajay Lunia 2011 if it's possible.
Done.
Unblock him.
Action taken in this one tab, right?
Yes.
Unblock user, unblock.
After you blocked me, I landed here directly. You have done anything, Shashank?
No. I unblocked you.
Okay. You unblocked me. Fine. But
Cool.
yeah, so see, Anupama, host can block organizer, which is actually not a requirement. Like it should not happen.
Correct. We have bug, right?
Right.
Shall I stop sharing the screen?
Yeah.
So take a break and can you or else you can end the session. We can
Yeah. You can end the session. We will. Yeah. So
Cool. I'll end the session then. Sure.
yes.
as with Ajay Lunia.
Yeah, I'm just like looking it from another user from the light mode. Okay. Switch to light mode. Nothing is coming. Loading. No, I can see something. Just making myself unmute. Run it. It's a continuation only.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's working. Light mode is working. Light mode is working. You can hear.
You can see the labels and all everything.
Yeah, on live, and live is also working. YouTube live is also working. Great.
Facebook is not working.
Facebook, we know that thing, like we can't control after 2 to 3 minutes. But
Fine.
when we were actually switching in
Fine.
between, it was working
Yeah,
perfectly
turn on
fine.
your camera and
Okay,
see if the light mode is coming on. And can you try playing pre-recorded video now?
yeah, I'm doing that.
Here it is fine, right?
Yeah, here it is fine.
So in the previous video, we started looking at the if statement and went through various conditional checks. So we actually looked at the if, the else, the elif, and come up with a simple scenario, as you can see on the screen.
YouTube video I can
Guess the
see, on
number
light
game.
mode also I
But
can see
what we
the
want to
video.
talk about now is the situation where you want to test more complicated conditions than the simple ones we've used so far. And Python actually gives you the mechanism to produce quite complex expressions when you're actually doing some testing. So what I'm going to do is
Using the
delete
light
this
mode now.
code now.
Can you
Start
just,
fresh.
shall I drop
And
from
let's
this
come
and
up with a scenario.
rejoin?
So we'll
Anupama?
type in age equals input. Actually, we'll put an int there
Anupama,
first.
can
So
you hear
int
me?
input, so we're converting it to a number. How old are you? So what we can do is put if age greater than equal to
Anupama?
16. You've seen something similar to that before. You talked about the greater than equal operator in the previous
lost
video.
you.
But we can also expand that. We can put and
I'm
space
rejoining.
age
I'm
less
rejoining,
than
just
equal to
observe.
65.
Okay.
So what that does, that actually checks to see whether the age is greater than or equal to 16 and that it's also less than and equal to 65. So if we actually do that and then we actually do a print, have a good day at work. So if you run that, how old are you? We can actually enter our value, our name. We put 15. Nothing happens, and that's because this condition wasn't fulfilled, because age was 15, which failed this first part here. So consequently, nothing happens. So if we run it again, this time I'll put, say, 25. Have a good day at work. So it's looking for a number that's within the ranges of greater than or equal to 16 and less than or equal to 65. Now, because the AND has got a lower priority than the conditional operators, this expression evaluates as we would expect. But if you want to be really clear, you can use parentheses to make it obvious what you intended. So what we could have done is something like this. We could have actually changed this and used brackets, like so, and we've made it very clear, and we'll still get the same result, but it's now a lot clearer because we've used those brackets, what we were trying to do. It still actually works, as you can see. So the parentheses, just to be clear, aren't necessary, but generally speaking, it's a
YouTube
good
and
idea
light
to
mode
use them,
both are working
especially
fine
in
for
complex
me,
conditional
when I left.
expressions.
Okay.
And the reasons that you want to do that is that it really makes it, not only does it make it easy
I
to
can see
read,
light mode.
but if someone comes
Yeah,
to
go ahead,
work
please.
has to work on your code later, the use of parentheses
Can we
makes it
check on the
obvious
same
to
issue
them
on
what
the
your intentions
prod?
were. So for that reason, I certainly highly recommend
the
brackets
issue which you have
or
logged in
parentheses.
channel.
Now, Python also it gives you another scenario.
We
Instead
can
of
do.
writing it the
Can
way
we
we've
just
written
give
there,
them?
we
Okay,
can
someone
comment
is
that
raising
out.
hand. I have
We'll comment
connected
out
Gunjan.
just that one
Gunjan
line.
is on screen.
And we can also do it like this. We can put if 16 is less than equal to
I think we
age
can check on
less than equal to 65,
What's the issue?
which is another way of actually writing the same thing. So we could actually do
Gunjan, yes, tell me.
on that
What's the
and just
issue?
confirm.
Issue
It's
was
working. We didn't
I was
get,
not able to
a message because we're
play
outside
the
the range,
video.
and
I got
34,
a message
we have
which
got a message.
I actually
So you can
posted.
see there we're
Like,
actually doing a test to see
opened
whether the
my-
value
Let me tell you the
16
full
is less than
scenario.
equal to
So,
age, and whether the
first,
value
we have actually
65
ended
is
our
less
first
than equal
session
to age as well.
without
Making
cloud
sure
host.
that it's actually within
That
the
was
range
working
that's being
fine for
entered.
us.
And there's
Now we are
actually
in
even
backstage
an
for second
easier way
session,
that we
okay?
could write this. Instead of using less than equal, we could actually change this
Now
and put
I need to
15
create a URL for
less than
magic URL
age
for cloud
and
host
less
user
than 66.
for second session.
So what we could do there is
So
we actually run
I
that. How old are
inspected
you?
and
If
find
you're
out the
15,
second session ID
and get a
and
message because
created
the
a
range
cloud
was
host URL.
greater than or equal to 16 originally.
Then I
and
clicked
less
on
than
the
65,
video
less than
and
equal
I
to
was trying
65.
to play it.
If we put
It was
the
not
age of
working,
16,
and I thought it would.
have a good day
It
at
has
work. So
happened
that's still
because I have
actually
opened my
working
developer tool.
because age
Okay?
is not less than
But I
15 in this
refreshed it
case,
and then
we
run
can
it
actually
again.
change it again.
Still, I was getting that
can put,
pop up again and again.
61 or 62. Have a good
Can
day
you
at
take
work.
a break and try
And
now?
lastly, 66
Let me try.
actually falls
Because you are
outside of the
able to
range.
play here.
So
Send some chats and questions. Report some messages. Do DM. Anyone there in attendee? Gunjan, can you join with one more user?
Yeah, my system is a little bad today. I don't know for what reason. It's like, just remove me from stage. I can do that.
Edit it. Can you vote?
So shall I add Anupama? Shall I add that streaming things with it, or shall I leave that?
You can leave that.
Okay. One more
Just
thing.
add the video. That's it. Video is important.
Right. I am adding a video. Fine.
Gunjan, give no this time. Can you please do Ryzen? It looks fine. Let me try playing pre-recorded video. Why Gunjan left the stage?
I do not know. Harshita.
So in the previous video, we started looking at the if statement and went through various conditional
she's checking
checks.
light mode.
So we actually looked at the if, the else, the elif, and come up with a simple scenario, as you can see on the screen, of a simple guess the number game. But what we want to talk about now is the situation where you want to test more complicated conditions than the simple ones we've used so far. And Python actually gives you the mechanism to produce quite complex expressions when you're actually doing some testing. So what I'm going to do is delete this code now and start fresh. And let's come up with a scenario. So we'll type
And what is the
equals
broad Ermi?
so we'll put int there first. So int input, so we're converting it to a number.
API one.
How
API
old
URL.
are you?
Airmeet API dot.
So what we can do is put if
something like that.
age greater than or equal to 16.
What is the URL
We've seen
for
something
the
similar.
prod API?
Broad API.
Yeah. Anyone knows that?
Yeah. I sent in this live chat.
Okay, fine. I couldn't see Anupama in this live chat. Have you sent me direct message?
Live chat only I sent.
Let me see. Okay. Got it. API
I'm doing layout.
airmeet.com.
Similar to that before, we had talked about the greater than equal operator in the previous video, but we can also expand that. We can put and space age less than equal to 65. So what that does, that actually checks to see whether the age is greater than or equal to 16 and that it's also less than and equal to 65. So if we actually do that and then we actually do a print, have a good day at work.
Gunjan, I thought she's in
she
checking
run
light
that?
mode. Where she go? When?
Do not know.
So
I
how
can
are
see
you?
another. Yeah, she's on the stage now.
Gunjan,
Yeah,
are you checking light mode?
just remove me. I will do that. Why you
Right.
invite? I am here only. You can tell me. I can do that. Remove me.
I told that time only for starting. I think you left the stage that time. You told me you will check, so I thought.
Starting that air meet. We'll be sharing the link with you all.
We can actually enter our
Yeah,
valid
playing
name,
even started.
input 15,
Observe the light.
nothing happens, and that's because this condition wasn't fulfilled, because age was 15, which failed this first part here, so consequently, nothing happens. If we run it again, this time I'll put, say, 25, have a day at work. So it's looking for a number that's within the ranges of greater than or equal to 16 and less than or equal to 65. Now, because the AND has got a lower priority than the conditional operators, this expression evaluates as we would expect. But if you want to be really clear, you can use parentheses to make it obvious what you intended. So what we could have done is something like this. We could have actually changed this and used brackets, like so, and we've made it very clear, and we'll still get the same result, but it's now a lot clearer because we've used those brackets, what we were trying to do. This actually works, as you can see. So the parentheses, just to be clear, aren't necessary, but generally speaking, it's a good idea to use them, especially in complex conditional expressions. And the reasons that you want to do that is
Stopping
that it really
pre-recorded
makes it...
video.
Okay.
I was able to do this. This
Okay.
looks fine. So from the session tab, I'm invite her. But if I'm inviting also, why the speaker is not coming here? Invite her.
You're inviting or whom is it? Or whom
Yeah,
is inviting?
Oh,
there is some issue. Actually, what is happening? Whenever you playing the video, I'm in light mode. The video plays and then it gets a loader. Again plays and again a loader. Again plays again a loader. So if we are talking, it's just we are getting a loader in between every time. And this is a light. This is the cloud host, right?
yes.
Okay. I think that's an issue. I'm not sure it's there on production or not, but currently it's not smooth. It's like showing and then again loader,
So
showing
when
then again loader.
the
That,
video is
yeah, go
getting
ahead, please.
stopped, I mean paused, then that time you mean to say. Are you able
Sorry.
to hear whatever we are speaking during
So
the pause?
so yeah, I was able to listen. The problem is, I'm so it's showing and then again a loader, showing again a loader. It's like that. It's not smooth. Like it should be like a normal, right? It should not be like loading in between all the time.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want,
So
you can remove me and we can try. Can you try uploading
your
any other
internet
video?
is good?
Yeah, mine is good.
Okay, Ajay,
Yeah, yeah,
can you will check on the same thing? Can you share join one more user and you share the screen from this Ajay?
yeah. Can
Because
I'm just,
system
yeah.
is
Please go
slow.
ahead. I'm actually trying to replicate this. Yeah. And at the moment, can you call someone like Shashank is there? Shall I or let me told
Array,
him?
as of now, 1 minute. Hold on, na.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
to will see this
Tell
one.
me, tell me, tell me. Go ahead, please.
Join with one more user and share the screen and observe in the light. Sharing it won't happen while playing pre-recorded. Okay.
Just remove me. I will check if it's happening with light mode only or with the
Attending.
no. It's just the light mode or it's not. It's just pre-recorded video or a normal also. So I will just ping you in the Slack when I do that. Just
I'm
remove me. I will
I'm
see that.
I'm joining as a guest user now. You can share whatever you want.
You
Like I
you
can.
you wait. Let her confirm this one. Then that will cross check. You continue that.
Okay, okay,
One more
okay.
thing
I'm
she's
just continuing.
checking.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah.
Without
So actually, this has been
playing the pre-recorded and with she's checking.
okay, okay. So I have also joined as an attendee, the guest user. Whatever you want, later on we can check. Okay. So I made a new user. I'm just trying to log into the create the. I'm just creating this cloud user URL through the epoch converter.
Now I started playing the pre-recorded thing. I think
So in the previous video, we started looking at the if statement and went through various conditional checks. So we actually looked at the if, the else, the elif, and come up with a simple scenario, as you can see on the screen, of a simple guess the number game. But what we want to talk about now is the situation where you want to test more complicated conditions than the simple ones we've used so far. And Python actually gives you the mechanism to produce quite complex expressions when you're actually doing some testing. So what I'm going to do is delete this code now and start fresh, and let's come up with a scenario. So we'll type in age equals input. Actually, we'll put an int there first, so int input, so we're converting it to a number.
Anupama, could you just guide me? Like I'm on this API.
So what you can do is put
I'm
if
just going to cloud user,
age
searching cloud user.
greater than equal to 16.
Can you mute
This is
this
something
audio
similar to that
for
before.
once?
We had
Yeah, I'm this API and I'm just on. I've searched create cloud user.
you created.
No, create cloud user post. We need to enter those details. Na?
Get.
Okay, just a minute. Get session ID is asking.
Array, two of them are there, na, in that last one. You click on that, you will get what all you need to give.
Yeah. Actually, I'm not able to find that thing. That's what I'm looking at it.
Did you search with the cloud host?
Yeah. I'm just searching with cloud host. I've used cloud user. That is the cloud user. Create cloud user.
Yeah, I mean just control and do the cloud.
Yeah. Wait a minute.
Array, share your
So,
screen.
yeah, that's what. Now, let me share my screen. Can you see this? Tell me.
Can you
I
do
was
the
just able
control
to.
F?
Yeah, I'm doing that. Tell me.
Array, get is there, na?
This
Click on
one,
that.
na?
No, Ray, last one.
Okay, based on start. Yeah, understood. Okay, fine. Here also we need to write QWERTY.
No.
So?
There it is different. Wait.
Please let me know.
Sending 1 minute.
Okay.
I sent in live chat. See.
Fine. I'm just making it 11 p.m. and just completing with this epoch time.
Okay, now.
This looks fine.
Fine? Okay. Then done. I am removing you. Whenever I am removing you, okay, from here. Can you?
I have executed the
Make
same 200.
I'll invite you. And then do refresh, okay? I will remove you from the session tab. Invited Gunjan on the stage. Can you do refresh now?
Anupama, on a prod environment, I'm not able to see the info from which I can, just fetch these session details.
You can get from the this one also, Swagger session API.
Okay, let me just do that. So air
Yeah,
session.
Okay,
I
this
was.
looks fine, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So everything looks fine then. Light mode looks fine. Facebook we have issue that it is working. YouTube is fine, right, Ajay?
YouTube, yeah, it's fine. Yes, YouTube is fine so far.
So session tab also fine. Resend looks fine. Manageable is fine. Attendee, chat, questions. Yeah, this is fine. We need to check that one and the recording. That's it.
Right.
So I will take a break and come with without recording. This should be without recording. Still connecting.
Oh my god. Just give me a minute.
Recording icon is not coming. Screen. Almost 25, yeah. I'm taking a break.
Execute is there. I can fetch and search. Okay, I got the magic URL, Anupama, for the prod one.
Okay, fine. Gunjan, can you end this session?
Uploaders unable to run Preprod video. Now I am creating cloud first URL for second session, or let's for third session. 100 for session. Cloud based one. It's open my default tools and with session ID from there and click
Right?
from
That will be it.
API. You're saying something?
Yeah.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Can you try playing pre-recorded video for me? I created one event and it looks fine for me, but I don't know why for this event is happening like this.
Okay, so the new prod URL you're talking about.
Yeah, I am able to play.
So at the moment, I can see CL is coming up for me, cloud user for that prod URL.
Array, I'm telling here. Here means demo.
Demo you're talking about. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Demo, it was working later on when we refreshed. Previously, it was not working. You know that.
Okay. I mean, for now, for which you are trying, no? Another airmate, I mean.
Another
You
air
are
meet.
facing the same issue?
So actually, I'm at the moment with the
Fraud.
air. Prod air meet ID I've shared with you. I'm not able to run the like. I'm just.
Array, I'm telling after refresh also.
I'm not refreshed. I'm trying to. I'm doing it. Shall I do that? I'm not refreshed. I've done the refresh. Now I'm trying to run it. Yes, Gunjan. No, actually, still on prod also I'm not able to run. That is the issue actually I'm facing. I'm sharing the link with Srikanth. He is joining now. Yeah, this is the only thing left. Rest have been done.
Can you share your Can you connect on Google Meet and check what is this happening?
Right. We can connect. Srikanth is also coming. Yeah, I'm just create.
What is coming in now?
I'm not getting any pop-up here at the moment. Previously, I got a pop-up which Anupama has posted on the group. When we were on demo, I got a pop-up. I'm not able to play the video. But after I refresh, I'm able to, run that. But prior to that, it was not happening. And now in prod, even I have added the video in the community dashboard, the pre-recorded video, but still I'm not able to run it. So I need to, can you just share me the Google Meet ID if possible? Or shall I create one?
Already checked in the live chat.
Okay, let me just open that.
Shreya? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, Nupama, tell me.
You're checking the recording you generated?
Yeah, it is taking time.
Yeah, I'm joining.
I'm generating it. It is not yet generated.
Shrikant is there? Okay, Shrikant is there. I'm calling him up. So you can see my screen, Gunjan?
Yeah, I just got Shrikant also.
Okay.
Anupama, it is 403 error. Hello?
Yeah, Shrikant.
Hello?
Anupama, I'm getting 403 error.
Can you share your screen? Tell him to stop. We are playing pre-recorded video.
Ajay, stop the pre-recorded video. Ajay? Hello? I shared the screenshot, Anupama.
Can you try again?
Okay. No, still it is 403 forbidden error.
Array, tell him to ping him and tell him to stop pre-recorded video here.
Anupama, I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah. Can you refresh and try?
Okay.
You're using demo only, right?
Yeah. Demoairmit.com. APIairmit.com.
Okay, copy, open that API. General put first. It will take time, but I don't know why. It should come at least successful. I don't know
No,
why.
no. 200 success it should come. Then only it will generate.
Yeah. Here also you're getting that error.
Now it is 401 error.
Did you give their
Authorization, right?
yeah.
Oh. I refreshed it now, so I have to give it again.
Then only it will work. Don't give down, only one is enough.
Same 403.
Array success it is coming and up, down.
That is the codes they have given. 200 will be success like that. But the response which I am getting is 403.
403 is forbidden.
Yeah, and for get call it is 404 not found. Since there is nothing in the post call, I mean nothing we have posted, it is showing 404 in the get.
Can you try one more conversion is there? Can you try that one? Control F. Conversion type.
0 results.
Conversion spelling what you gave.
Yeah.
Click on that post. Copy your
Session. Which session? Particular session, any particular session you want? I'm copying welcome session ID.
you're copying. Okay, yeah.
Session
Generate
ID
for, yeah. Generate. Take it for all the sessions. Wait, yours is too slow. Can you pin me sessions ID?
In network inspect element will get it right.
Array, anyhow you open it, right?
1 second.
Did you close it?
No, wait. I'm getting this 200 okay and these things.
Recording you got now copy that one. Post those only 3. Share to me.
QL iPod can I put right?
Yeah, put in. I'm taking last one. You take first one.
So this is I mean We have gotten for all the 3 sessions, or it is only for welcome session? We have 3 recordings for only 1 session.
Hey, Chapna, that open and backstage is not a.
No, I'm asking like for welcome session we have 3 recordings, or it is included of all the 3 sessions.
Included for all.
Okay.
You just verify one by one, first one. Shreya, you are checking first one. Shreya?
Last one I'm checking.
Okay. I'm checking last one.
No, I have taken last one.
Array, first one you told.
No, last I said. Last one I'm checking.
Array, last one I checked already. I told you to take first one.
Okay, let me take.
They are waiting actually for our update. Do it fast now.
Yeah. Middle one is done?
Middle one I took now. I thought you took first one. I told na, I mentioned I'm taking last one.
I heard like last. It's okay. I'll check now.
Except for the first one, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Where did he? Shreya?
Yeah.
That is related to which session ID you gave? If you are taking a break, it will be divided now.
No, no. Tell me what you are saying.
For which session you took that recording?
Welcome session.
Okay. That looks fine. We need to check it for all the only the welcome sessions are there only.
Okay, session
And
4
that
I will do it.
yeah, please. Just let me open it. Wait. Don't do that one. Go. Can you share your screen?
Yeah.
You did you close that Swagger? No, right? Click on that Swagger. Array, go to the Swagger. Leave this one. Yeah, go to that recording only.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, generate it again.
No. 403.
Let me try. Where is Ajay?
Don't know.
Forbidden is coming for me too. Hello? Share your screen. Freya, are you there? Freya,
Yeah.
can you share your screen?
Okay. Okay. What happened? You also getting 403?
Yeah. So try like that only. Give another session.
I can see. I'm just sharing the link as well.
ठीक है. Anupama, you take care both. I'll take care light mode. Okay.
Okay, so let me just give you the links. So session is live. Okay, I'm just giving you the links. This one is one link, and this
You
is
clicked on go live for YouTube also. First close
yeah.
that one, bro. It will not work
No, no.
your internet.
Uh,
Not this one, that one.
it has it has started.
Yeah, yeah. Close this one. No, it will use your internet.
I'm giving this YouTube, and just giving you another link.
Above,
Your
above.
link is so much full, Deepak.
This one is one link, and this
You
is
clicked on go live for YouTube also.
yeah.
YouTube
Hello,
is
hello.
working.
Yeah. So let me just mute. I'm muting Shrikant. I'm muting you. I'm muting your audio.
Mute my video.
I'm mute video.
Yeah, I got
Muting
that
your video.
message.
I raised hand. You can accept.
Yes, accepted.
And one more thing, we verified that recordings on
Who is Ram?
Ram mine only.
Okay.
Hello.
Anupama, we verified that recordings or not?
No.
We need to verify, right?
Yeah.
We
We'll
told
verify
to.
after time.
ठीक है. I think actually we told to Shreya will never remember these things. I don't know. We need to make some features, some ownership here, or else it will be worst really.
Right.
I'm
Facebook is
planning.
working.
Yeah, I will withdraw from my end. I will go to, or else remove from me stage.
Yeah. I'm just doing that.
Another.
Okay. Oh, fuck. Sorry.
Slow, Ajay. Don't be in a hurry. Aram se do.
It's already 11, Anupama.
Array, it's 11, but not like doing one work, it will make, it should not happen like that. Na? It will waste time.
Right.
I'm not telling do very slowly, but when someone
Rejecting, bro, whenever I'm rejecting, don't click OK. Click on resend, okay?
Fine.
Remove from session now. Session tab.
Okay. Just give me a minute. You remove from session tab. Okay, fine. Understood. Removing. Removed.
Shrikant,
He left actually. I'm rejecting. I'm
I'm sending the
inviting.
poll. Shrikant, please vote. Shrikant?
He's joining. Just give me a minute. Actually, he's playing with resend on reject.
No,
He's doing.
no. I'm just telling so that in attendee we can able to listen.
Right.
Can you remove me one more time? I will do it poll.
Okay. He was saying, Anupama. He was doing a
Poll.
call.
Vote, poll.
Oh, poll. Okay, fine.
Arey, don't invite, wait na.
Right.
We can't do it now. Okay, you can invite him now.
Yeah.
It's working, right?
Cool.
Yeah, it's
Poll. Okay, fine.
bro. Can you remove your
Don't
screen?
invite. Wait, na.
Right.
I am
Yeah.
getting guys confused. Okay, try to play the pre-recorded video.
Play
Okay, wait.
the.
I am a host. I need to refresh because
If you
I'm
guys
just
turn on your camera, then it will be easy to see in the light mode. This one.
right.
Can you try to remove my screen?
I can remove. Yeah. Done.
Okay, you play the video now.
I need to refresh because it's not appearing at the moment because I later added this videos.
Why? Okay, he created and then he added, right? So.
So in the previous video, we started looking at the if statement and went
You
through
can
various
hear the full
conditional
volume?
checks. So we actually looked
Yeah,
at
yeah.
the if, the else,
I reduced the volume.
elif, and come up with this.
What you are able to hear?
No.
Nothing.
Great. So
Can't able to hear.
now you could be able to hear. Okay.
In
Video you are
age
not able to hear. I'm
equals
just moving.
input.
Yeah, now it's fine.
Actually, we'll put
Yeah.
an int there first. So int input, so we're converting it to a number.
I'm just sharing.
How old are you?
I could. And anyone try to share their screen?
So what we can do is put
Okay,
if
try to.
age
I can't able to
greater
do
than
it.
equal to 16. You've seen something similar to that before.
Try
We had
to
talked
remove
about the greater than equal
messages and try
operator in the
to
previous video. But we can also
manage
expand that.
try
We can
to
put
block me
and
another user.
space
Right. I'm
age
removing
less
message.
than equal to 65.
Remove.
So what that does, that actually
Remove
checks
has
to
been
see
done.
whether the age
Try to
is
block
greater
another
than or equal to
Fine.
16,
Let me just-
and
I'm blocking
that it's
Anupama.
also less than
Yeah.
and equal to
You
65.
can't block
So if we
me.
actually do that, and then we actually do a print.
I can't. Right.
Try to block
Have a
another
good
user.
day.
I'm removing Rama.
So actually run
Sorry,
that.
Ram.
How old are you? We can actually enter our value, our name. We put 15. Nothing happens, and that's because this condition
I'm
wasn't
looking at
fulfilled.
session. I'm removing
because age
Anupama
was
from
15,
the
which
session
failed
tab.
this first part here. So consequently, nothing happens. So if we run it
Shrikant is
again,
there.
this time I'll put, say, 25. Have a good day at work. So it's looking for a number that's
It looks fine,
within
bro.
the
Stop
ranges of
Yeah,
And
yeah.
greater than
refresh
equal to
your page on
16 and less than equal to
while playing the
65.
video.
Now, because
you
the
want me to
and
refresh?
has got a
Yeah,
lower
refresh.
priority than the conditional operators, this expression
I'm
evaluates as
trying
we would
to
expect.
join- make
But if
a
you want to be
join
really
and
clear,
just
you can
bring
use
it.
parentheses
Are
to
they
make it
refresh it,
obvious
na?
what you
I'm
intended.
removing Anupama
So
from
we could have
the-
done
Yes, Shrikant.
What happened?
I do not know, but of course, video has been stopped, which is fine.
Okay, fine, bro. Light mode is working. You can take a break and unblock that user and take a break.
Yes, Shrikant. Fine.
Unblock.
What happened?
I do not know.
Are-
But of course, video has been stopped. I'm unblocking. You are listening to another volume, Shrikant.
Sorry. Okay.
Okay.
Because I need to listen both, right?
Yeah, that's true. But you are getting angry while listening again.
ठीक है. Yeah. Now I think everything looks fine, right?
Yeah. For me, it's fine at the moment. You can just see the stream icon.
No, I can't. I'm
Attendee.
able to see only recording. Attendee, nothing will come. I'm in light mode.
Yeah.
No, it's working.
For me too.
Load. Yeah,
Turn your both your videos, please.
it is working.
But why it's happening like this? I don't know. What I did happen.
So actually,
I played the
Shrikant,
video. I played
Shrikant,
the play.
Mihir told us sometimes this Agora do not respond, and they do not do anything about it because that's from the Agora end only.
Okay.
You can't do it. Like you can't track how
Ajay,
it's not working.
Ajay, Facebook is working. Can you see in your tab?
Do that. Pages I went on.
Share your screen. I will tell you.
Okay, fine.
one issue is there, yeah, I'm pretty sure, but we need to find out the way, what is the exact case.
For this,
This YouTube.
Light mode on YouTube everywhere. After something we are doing in backstage, then after that it's not working. We need to refresh, then it's working.
Shrikant, can you see this?
Yeah. What we need to do? Scroll up.
I scrolled on the top. I'm on the top.
Scroll down. Yeah. Down. Click on use a persistent stream key. Yeah, now you will get go live here. Wait.
Okay.
You will end up go live, then you click on go live, okay?
I see.
This is the way, okay?
Got it.
Okay, bro. Okay.
But
now
can't we control the 2 to 3 second thing, like of live thing?
For Facebook, we don't have the control.
Fine.
I'm taking a break, bro.
Color, like button there, but still it's showing it's live. It's not showing live.
Wait.
Yeah.
It will work, bro. We are taking break, Ankama.
Yeah.
No, not now. That time only, I'm telling.
Now check it. Play the videos now.
I clicked on that. It is not happening. After loading, it will stop.
Wait, pre-record. Check the light mode is working, right? It's working fine. So now we didn't get any issue. Take care. Now refresh the page and try to play the video. Don't click multiple times.
Yeah, one time only. It's not playing.
It's not at all playing.
I mean that pop-up only not coming. It is coming loading 3 dots. After that loading is getting erased.
Can you try to do other operations? Leave that one.
And Facebook, previous only is coming. I don't know for Ajay.
Yeah, even now it's coming up. What's happened? Like
it's working fine, light mode, bro.
Okay, yes.
YouTube
now
it's working fine.
Now Facebook is also working fine.
For me, previous thing is.
Can you change the mode, na? Then we can identify.
Array, no, in that Shreya, I think. Not Shreya. Now it's coming, I guess. No. Still hold on. That adding YouTube things and all. Unmute and say, na, you guys, what you get. Got toast message or
For me, it's working.
Yeah. Actually, I went to this Facebook, so you can do it again if you want.
It's working fine.
Yes, oh, my internet is bad. It's working fine. And no power.
Yeah, leave it.
Fine, now.
So, your power is also gone. I think I'm left.
End the session, Ray.
Okay.
I am using mobile touch.
Hi, bro. What's up?
All good, man.
Play the pre-recorded videos, no?
Ajay, again you kept that session name like.
Yeah. Ignore it. Don't report it. Good, man.
Play the pre-recorded. See, Anupama, how he is playing. Close the tab. Close the tab.
Okay.
Immediately.
So in the previous video, we started looking at the if statement and went through various conditional checks. So we actually looked at the if, the else, the elif, and come up with a simple scenario. As you can see on the screen, of a simple guess the number game. But what we want to talk about now is the situation where you want to test more complicated conditions than the simple ones we've used so far. And Python actually gives you the mechanism to produce quite complex expressions when you're actually doing some testing. So what I'm going to do is delete this code now and start fresh. And let's come up with a scenario. So we'll type in age equals input. Actually, we'll put an int there first. So int input, so we're converting it to a number. How old are you?
Hi, how are you?
So what we can do is put if
Check the YouTube Anupama.
age
YouTube is
greater
fine.
than equal to 16.
Then it's okay.
You've seen something similar to
We
that
need to
before. We had
keep,
talked about the greater than
do it
equal
now, then only it
operator
will
in the
work.
previous video, but we can also expand that. We can put and space age less than equal to 65. So what that does, that actually checks to see whether the age is greater than or equal to 16 and that it's also less than and equal to 65.
Why is
So if I
not
actually do
coming?
that, I actually do a
Column,
print. Have a good day at work. So if you run that,
do poll.
how old are you? We can actually enter our value, our name. We put 15. Nothing happens, and that's because this condition wasn't fulfilled. Because age
only
was
do
15,
poll,
which
no?
failed this first
Oh,
part
I
here.
can do
So
anything,
consequently,
sir.
nothing
I
happens. So if
joined.
we run it again, this time I'll put, say, 25.
You can't poll.
Have a good day at work. So
Could you
it's
repeat?
looking for a number that's within the
no.
ranges
That's what I'm
of greater than
asking,
equal to
Anupama.
16 and
Poll
less
again.
than equal to 65. Now, because
okay.
the
Let me just do
AND
that.
has got a
Yes.
lower priority
I
than the
did.
conditional operators,
Do
this
feel
expression
like that,
evaluates as we would
I did.
expect. But if you want to
Okay.
be really
Yeah,
clear,
start
you can
the
use
video, bro.
parentheses to make it
Okay.
obvious what you intended.
Because of video, isn't it?
Accept price and
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Bro, where you gonna get, bro?
hi, good morning. Try to remove my share screen.
Something API only. API only is Srikant,
Really?
after this, please generate the recording and share,
Okay,
okay?
madam. Okay, madam. Okay, now can you block another user? That user?
Right. I'm doing from. No. Let me block your another user.
If it's possible, fix that Facebook issue.
Go live. I'm clicking on go live.
Now we become pro, bro.
Yes.
If you work with the 2, 3, 4 releases,
Yeah.
you will come in one order.
You become pro here when you get dark circles on your eyes.
He is, he is not leaving dark circles.
Yeah. Because look,
Can you turn on your camera? I will see how is your eyes now so that I can.
so you can see this.
He is using specs now.
Arey, see,
I can
yaar.
also see. I can also use specs.
Yeah. This is protecting me. Otherwise, if I'm removing it, see, bulgy eyes has happened.
Ray will finish it soon. What next? You blocked
Next.
another user.
Yeah, he unblocked, bro.
Okay, let me unblock.
For me, it's loading. I don't know.
Guess user.
For me, YouTube looks fine. Facebook not opening, so I closed it.
No. For Facebook, I actually done that again, but I'm just observing it. What it will show me.
Bro, unblock that user. After that, you can talk.
Yeah. Just doing that. Where is your user, man? I could not see this attendee.
Array,
Nice abuse you.
unblocked where
Yeah.
we go.
Understood, man. Forgot.
Okay.
Yeah. So now this our Facebook is working fine, I believe.
Okay. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. It is working. I did that persistent key thing. It is working now.
Nice. Okay, move some answers.
Okay, I'm moving.
After joining Airmeet,
Mm-hmm.
I am not yet watched one movie itself.
Oh my god.
Previously what will happen? Every weekend I am going one movie.
Yo. So like I'm just thinking to create few jokes on this, dark circle thing.
We'll do it after the second. But anyway, one issue. No, one issue is there in production. I am 100% sure.
Okay.
We'll take a break now.
Which issue with light mode and Facebook YouTube?
No, yeah. After
I'm assigning host to Anupama.
I don't know. Assigning host to Anupama and start the session immediately. Or try to play the video Anupama now.
Yeah.
Now try Anupama at least.
Trying. Loading. Loading only. Hey,
Okay.
I can't.
Leave it.
So
I think I need to refresh after assigning, I guess.
Shrikant,
Not required. Bolo.
in next hands, all hands, we will create some memes and share it in the group. Okay. So someone is asking, when Meena was there, someone is asking how much salary you are paying to Meena.
I'm playing again. I started playing it. Pre-recorded video. Loading.
Better luck.
Next
All
time.
hands, we will create some memes and share it.
Is it playing?
No, Re.
Okay. Try to refresh the page. YouTube is working. Facebook is working. You're mute, bro.
Both are
You're
working.
mute.
Both are working.
Okay. And now what we can do? Okay. Now play the videos.
I clicked on already. Wait.
YouTube is
Loading.
working. Facebook is working.
YouTube is working fine. Facebook, no.
You're mute, bro.
No, I'm open. I'm not. Both are working.
Okay. And now what?
Okay, man, you're repeating the same thing I'm answering.
Hey, you guys, both are playing or what?
I'm not talking here. My lips are so Take your mind. Now take a. You try to block under user, Anupama.
Which that
Ram. Yeah.
I blocked.
You know what happened here? Okay, after that I'll tell you.
Okay.
Okay. Take a break, Anupama, and assign to me.
Yeah. Actually, commented. I commented in one or two places.
Okay.
I'll
Out
put
of
my
10
comment
only
there.
you commented 1 or 2 places.
Yeah, I did that.
You're reviewing with the document or simply you're reviewing the
No, I'm looking at the documents. I have that PRD with me.
Okay.
So in the previous video, we started looking at the if statement and went through various
Any minor
conditional
changes
checks.
there,
So
then-
we actually looked at the if, the else,
Can you
the
say
elif,
something,
and
Anupama?
come up with a simple scenario, as you can see on the screen,
Wait.
of a simple guess the number game. But what we want to talk about now is the situation where you want to test more complicated conditions than the simple ones we've used so far.
Come back,
And
Shrikant.
Python actually gives you the mechanism to produce quite complex expressions when you're actually doing some testing. So what I'm going to do is delete this code now and start fresh.
YouTube looks
And
like-
let's come up with a scenario. So we'll
I'm
type
trying
in
to
age
rerun
equals
this
input.
airmeet.
So we'll
Facebook.
put an int there first. So int input. So we're converting it.
She called me. I came back.
Sound. Done.
What's that?
E opened in 2 tabs. Shrikant,
ಹೇಳಿ
ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇನ್ನೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಇದೆ
just blocked user. Check the light mode on YouTube.
YouTube, it's working.
Fine.
Okay, 1 second. Organizer. Okay.
So Shrikant, after doing this, what you have told me for persistent key, it's working every time. Like Only just I need to click on go live again.
You need to click persistent key also.
Yeah. That's what. Like after
Correct.
clicking on persistent key, I need to just go live. Then I can see again and again. Our this YouTube is also working fine.
Exactly, bro. You got it. Okay, next what we can do, I'll take a.
Recording.
Right now, are you able to hear?
Yeah, I
Yes.
can hear you.
Light mode is working.
Light mode. Yeah. Let me check. From another user.
He's using two laptops or what?
You're talking about me.
Yes, yes.
One is of my friends. Actually, he has went to his village because he lost his job, and he has given this laptop to me. When he will come back,
So in the
he
previous
will take
video,
it
we
away.
started looking at the if statement, and when
If statement
It's
వద్దు,
like
ఏ statement వద్దు. Statement.
One laptop is, but now I'm feeling good when I'm having two laptops at.
Arey, how
But I
you are
got
feeling, bro?
that one eye on this laptop, one eye on that laptop.
yeah.
I don't. I am hating one laptop only. I'm taking two laptops.
They also work with two laptops, you know.
Oh my god. Really? Why?
Mule one laptop and
I actually do not require, but yes, when I'm having it, then I'm using it. I even want he gets a job, then take it away.
come back, Shrikant. We can't able to see you. Shrikant. No. Anything is pending? Shrikant.
He's sleeping now. He will come back after 10
He is in
minutes.
hidden mode. He will
He's
share his screen. I'll
he's
start.
he's taking a power nap.
Come back, Shrikant. Come back. Light mode is sharing. Anupoma's question.
Okay. Done.
Taking break.
Yes, 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 yes.